Today I'm going to show you the top free alternatives to Cluely.ai. Perfect if you're looking for smart AI tools for meetings, interviews, or productivity without spending a cent. Let's get right into it. First up, for meeting summaries and transcriptions, we have Fathom. It's one of the best free AI meeting assistants out there. Fathom records, transcribes, and summarizes your meetings across Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. It even lets you instantly share key moments, making it great for remote teams or students. Next, there's Blue Dot, another free browser-based AI tool. Blue Dot can record and summarize your meetings in real time, but what really makes it stand out is its interactive Q&A feature. You can ask it questions about what was discussed in the meeting. Super handy for catching up after you've missed one. If you're into technical interviews or open source tools, check out OpenCluely and MindWhisper AI. OpenCluely is designed specifically for coding interviews and includes features like an invisible overlay, real-time AI help, and smart image processing. Meanwhile, MindWhisper AI, which you can find on GitHub, offers real-time transcription, AI chat responses, and even a stealth mode, perfect for developers who like customizable AI tools. For those looking beyond meetings, Sana AI is another great option. It's an AI that connects your notes, emails, and calendar, allowing you to ask questions and get insights from your own data, kind of like having a personal knowledge assistant. And of course, tools like ChatGPT and Canva AI are fantastic free options too. ChatGPT helps with summaries, brainstorming, and writing, while Canva AI assists with design and marketing materials effortlessly. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video.